In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to borrow money from MoneyLion. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find and explore the borrow money options from MoneyLion. So I'm gonna teach you how to do this through their website. However, keep in mind that you can also do the exact same process through their app. So you will also see all of the options available and you can choose how you want to borrow your money. So on the website, all that you have to do is hover over borrow. You will see all of the main options. So personal loans, cash advance, credit cards, and credit builders. For this video, I'm going to be focusing on personal loans. So you will be able to get a specific amount and then see all of the rates and choose whichever one is best for you. Like I said, you can also follow along through the app. So in here, you can choose a specific amount and then click see my offers, or just scroll down. You will be able to configure the loan amount, the zip code, your credit score, and then the loan purpose. And they are going to give you the best options available according to your parameters here. So once you have chosen everything, scroll down and you will see the amounts, the APR, and then the term. So choose whichever one is best for you. Some of them will have recommendations based on how many other people also chose it. So you can either go by the amount and also you can go by the ratings. So once you select any of these and you click get rate, you will be redirected to a page like this where you can choose the purpose for your borrow. So on this page, just choose whichever option best suits you. So you have things like debt consolidation, credit card refinance, home improvements, and so on. You can choose whichever one you prefer. Now you can specify the amount, click next, and then include your credit score. Include more information about yourself. I'm just speeding through this, but you should carefully take your time. And then once you have selected everything, you can include a valid email address. Once again, I'm going to include a random one just for demonstration purposes, and you will be able to complete this. Sadly, I can't show you the full process on screen, but once you are done, they are going to show you the options available, and you will be able to sign up with the necessary details, which sadly I cannot cover on screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to borrow money from MoneyLion. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.